0, 1. Let's get started.
Hey everybody, I had a friend that's having some trouble with their hyper tough weed eater or string trimmer, whatever you want to call it. They couldn't get the string in. They had the head took off the end down here, trying to get it strung up. So I'm going to show you an easy way to restring your hyper tough trimmer. So get your length of cord, string trimmer cord, about 8 to 10 foot of length, and make you a little pinch right in the middle. So mark it off in the middle and pinch it in half so you know your midpoint mark. Line up your line on the bottom of the bump fed feed to the arrows, then take your string and insert it all the way through. And then keep pulling until you hit to your midpoint mark that I showed you how to do a second ago, your midpoint pinch, or you can mark it with a little marker, whatever. It's just easier just to bend it in half with the little pinch. And there's the pinch mark I made, so we're going to estimate it in the center, right about there. And then you hold the string trimmer head and you take the bump head feed and you turn it. If you're looking at it from like this, you turn it clockwise, and that's going to roll your string onto the feed. Get you a better shot of that right there. And that's going to wind it around the bump feed head inside. And then stop when you get right to near the cutting blade length. Now start your trimmer and let it finish trimming the string off to the automatic cutter, and you're good to go. Get your yard cleaned up. Hope this is a helpful tip.